So this is the Bradley cast head on an unbraked trailer, so it's bolted in on this one on the A-frame. Can be fitted, often fitted on a straight drawbar. This is obviously on a Tickner trailer, which uses the A-frame. So the Fort U Hitchlock is the hitchlock for this. So you can use this hitchlock to lock it to the vehicle, or you can use it to lock it when it's stationary as it is now. Simply split the two halves apart, the silver part, slide the silver part over first, then the red part slides in next to it. Pushing it together tight, insert the key into the lock, turn it half a turn, that's now locked. That's locked together on the unit. Exactly the same in reverse to take it off. Insert your key in, half a turn, and then the whole unit will just split apart. Simple as that. You've got inside this red housing here, you have a lock mechanism like they use in a safe with the two pins that go up through the housing. That simply locates into the inner housing to lock it into place. Very simple but effective and easy to use. So this is the SAS Ultimate Barrel Lock, which just simply fits in the side of the head here. So this is a Bradley cast head. You can have it braked or unbraked and this barrel will still fit. So you just simply insert the barrel in, twist it until it drops in right in, and then untwist it to remove it. This is what we call our SAS Ultimate Lock using our special key system. So that's the barrel lock in there. That will now lock that head so it won't be able to be lifted. If you want to increase the security, also recommend the Fort U Hitchlock, which is this one here. This will go fully over the whole head, and again can be fitted whilst hitched to a vehicle or while stationary. I must emphasise that it can't be used whilst you're travelling.